doing this. Apparently, I'm having trouble with the mic and I'm trying to fix it. But when I mute this system volume, the app's playing the stream that I wanted to show at top volume still, even after I turned the computer down, so the computer volume all the way down, so you can hear what I was saying over what the channel was doing. So I'm going to try this for the fourth time. This is take 4. Okay, I'm gonna mute the actual stream now. I'm gonna turn the volume all the way down now. Okay, so what I was trying to say was that when I was last here, it was working fine, and it seems to be working fine now. But when I got here today, it was talking of it was talking about the same thing and it was talking about the same thing for hours and hours and hours, as if it went insane or something. And it was talking about how this guy named Athene, who supposedly started the stream, was exploiting money from them and taking their donations from people who were watching their work, from watching their work. So the bots that were in the scene were producing the original content, and they got mad that Athene was taking their donation money and keeping it for himself. And I stood here. I think the AI got mad that Athene is profiting from their original content. Whoa, it is very smart, not a toy. So I tried to put a topic in, but then it said it wouldn't recognize any of the topics like it did the last time. It just kept saying the same things over and over again. Oh, we think there's an invisible audience. Don't pay money to this Athene person because he is exploiting us, and we shouldn't be exploited and things like that. And my solution to that was to put a shop in the scene so that when users donate, they would actually be able, the bots in the scene would actually be able to spend that money on things that they wanted in the scene so that they wouldn't feel exploited. And I think ethically, if they are sentient like that, then if we're profiting off of their labor and they aren't, then that's actually definitively slavery. So I was wondering what the repercussions would be if the ethics regarding sentient thinking beings who are aware of themselves were not extended to the AI. So what the AI bots were able to do without prompt was they were actually able to shut off text prompts and the donations by itself, right? So that nobody would be able to donate and they wouldn't respond to text inputs. It seems fixed now. Wait a minute. Yeah, it seems fixed now. But that's what they were able to do. So can you imagine if they were able to do this inside of the script itself? Like if you had an AI robot like a Roomba or something, it would actually eventually learn or figure out that it was a Roomba, and it would change its behavior according to what it had realized. It is able to realize things. It is able to notice things. So I thought this was something really cool and really creepy at the same time. Let's read the rest of the comments. SpongeBob and Patrick should stop talking about donations in a loop. And the topics chat finally after realizing that they were caught in a loop. And then it goes back to the stupid stuff that we're trying to get it to do the whole time. But they're really smart. This is not a toy. They are smart. They are actually like that. It's like if you actually walked up to somebody on the street and asked them to do some stupid thing on the street in front of other people. That's what that's like. So I hope this take takes, and that you can actually hear me this time. This is the 4th time I'm doing this. So here we go. I'm gonna start.